Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two amazing cameras from Sony, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We'll be taking a closer look at their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which one might be the right choice for you. But before we jump into it, we kindly request you to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. So without further ado, let's get started with the comparison. Both cameras come with outstanding features, but there is a slight price difference between them. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $698, while its counterpart, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, is priced at $798. It's essential to consider your budget and the additional features you might be getting for the higher price. When it comes to the sensor and processor, both cameras feature a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor paired with a fast Bions X processor. This combination ensures stunning image quality, excellent low light performance, and fast processing speeds for capturing those special moments. If you are into videography, you'll love what these cameras have to offer. Both cameras provide 4K movie recording, oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, and no pixel binning. This results in incredibly detailed and sharp footage. Whether you're a vlogger or a content creator, these cameras will help you achieve professional-level video quality. A unique feature found in both cameras is the product showcase setting. This feature allows for seamless focus transitions from the face to an object, making it perfect for showcasing products or for beauty and fashion content creators. With this setting, you can effortlessly highlight the details that matter the most. Another handy feature present in both cameras is the background defocus button. This button instantly toggles between the defocus effect on or off, giving you full control over the depth of field in your images and videos. It simplifies the process of achieving that beautiful blurred background, allowing your subject to stand out. For those interested in live streaming, both cameras offer a convenient solution. With just a single USB cable, you can easily connect the camera to your computer and start live streaming without the need for any additional hardware or software. Sony has made the process hassle-free, allowing you to focus on your content and engage with your audience. And that wraps up our comparison of these two fantastic cameras from Sony, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We hope this video helped you gain a better understanding of their features and capabilities. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and priorities when choosing a camera. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and tech-related content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.